The online business is taking a new direction. It's no longer e-commerce or affiliate marketing. The new business is called software as a service, SaaS. It's a software you build and charge users monthly or yearly for using your software. Anyone can build this, even if you don't know how to code. Let me show you how. First, we're going to find a problem and solve that problem for a wider audience. This is my problem. You can also come up with your problem. So let's analyze this problem. School administrators struggle to reach parents of students when they are needed. You can also put your own problem here. Something like clients or business owners struggle to reach clients for their businesses when they are needed. So this orange text can be replaced. Business owners struggling to reach their clients or struggling to communicate with their clients. So this is my problem. Also come out with your problem. Now, let's find a solution to this problem. Here's my solution. We're going to build a system for school administrators to solve the stated problem. How? Don't worry. I'm going to be revealing to you everything you need to know. We are going to build a bulk SMS sender where school administrators can upload parents' contact list, and this will enable them reach these parents via SMS with one click. So I have figured out a problem, and then I've also found a solution to this problem. All right. How do we make money doing this? If you're able to get 50 schools or 50 private schools to sign up, or 50 clients, and then you're charging them $10 every month to use your software, then you'll be making somewhere $500 in profit. Now, if you get, or if you want to maximize your profit, that means you have to work hard and get more users, more paying users. So if you want to make $1,000 every month, that means you have to get 100 paying clients or 100 paying schools. In my case, I'm using a school as an example. I want to help school administrators reach parents effortlessly. So I'll go ahead, or I'll go to schools and sign them up for my program, and then they'll be charged every month or every year based on my pricing terms. So I'll be making 1,000 recurring income for every 100 clients based on my pricing method or pricing terms. All right. Next up, how do we get these clients or signups? With my case, I'm going to visit private schools in person, talk to them about my system. I can even project this for them to see how it works. Most of these schools are going to love it, and then they'll opt in. The second way I can reach these people is to contact them via email or phone. You can do this by going to their website if they have any. I can also create a free YouTube channel and start teaching schools or business owners how to send bulk SMS to their clients. And I'm going to get clients in this way. Another way is running paid ads. After I get my first 20 paying clients, I'll then use that money to reach this audience. So this way will help me maximize my profit by leveraging what we call paid advertisement. So that's how I'm going to run this business model. On this channel, I'll be showing you how to start SaaS business from A to Z. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and get tuned in. So how then will we build this system? I already have a full dedicated video that will be showing you how to build this exact SMS sender. Check the description of this video or the video that will pop up right now, and it's going to show you step by step how to build a Bulk SMS website. I will break every single step for you to understand. I've even integrated payment systems in the website. That way users will pay or make payment effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next episode, where I'll be showing you a lot of amazing things. Stay blessed.